My name is Dr. Eric Willmarth, and I've been asked to make a short video about a workshop that I'm giving at the upcoming ASH meetings in Reno, Nevada. The title of the workshop is called, Does Hypnosis Have a Prayer? Religion, Spirituality, and Hypnosis in Clinical Practice. I thought I'd begin by starting with a story. And the story starts that a rabbi, a priest, a physician, and a psychologist walked into a hotel. Now, that hotel that they walked into was hosting the 7th annual meeting of the American Society of Clinical Hypnosis in 1965. And the gentleman that walked into the hotel participated in a panel on hypnosis and religion. Earlier than that, in 1961, Joseph Rakowski had written a book on the pastoral use of hypnotic technique that caused quite a stir. Much more recently, John Cord has written an excellent book on hypnosis, healing, and the Christian, and there have been many other publications on the subject. This workshop will discuss not only the historical context of integrating religion and spirituality into the hypnosis practice, but also look at the current lay of the land, the current status of using it. One of my pet peeves has been that while we give a lot of lip service to the idea of mind, body, spirit, we almost completely ignore many of the spiritual needs of our patients. I'm hoping that you'll join for a collaborative conversation on the idea of integrating religion and or spirituality into hypnotic practice. And join me at the 62nd annual meeting of the American Society of Clinical Hypnosis in Reno, Nevada, beginning on March 19th. I hope to see you there.